Thank you for signing your child up to take part in the Kids Teaching Kids 21-Day Snacking Challenge. This short video is intended to show you how to quickly navigate the event portal, as well as demonstrate the features in the digital recipe book. Once you have logged in, it is a good idea to bookmark the page to come back easily. In the portal, you can easily access resources to help you during the challenge, such as the snacking log. Here, your child can enter what they ate each day by writing it in electronically or printing it out to complete at home. Another tool is the Healthy Snack Finder. You can find snack recipes based on ingredients you already have at home. Simply type in an ingredient, and it will list all recipes developed from past snacking challenges using that ingredient. Once you open the digital book, you can use the arrows to flip the pages, or you can use the table of contents to jump to a selection. On each recipe page, you will find all the ingredients and instructions you need. You can even click on a picture of the snack to show a video on how to prepare it. And don't forget to check out the Mindful Minute and activity videos for more ways to promote a healthy lifestyle. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and happy snacking!